Many homes slowly fill up with things that haven't been used for years, simply because someone thinks they might need them someday. Scandinavian homes often take a different approach by questioning whether an item deserves valuable space before keeping it indefinitely. The idea isn't to throw everything away or live with almost nothing. It's about recognizing when just in case has become an excuse for keeping things that no longer serve a real purpose. When fewer forgotten items remain in cupboards, drawers, and garages, the entire home becomes easier to organize and maintain. Today, we're looking at 20 things Scandinavians rarely keep just in case, and why letting them go can make everyday life surprisingly easier. If you enjoy discovering practical Scandinavians' habits and the simple ideas behind their way of life, subscribe to Habit Archive for more inspiring videos like this. Keeping clothes that are too small or too large can seem sensible when you imagine needing them again. But if they haven't been worn for years, they are taking up space without serving today's life. Scandinavian wardrobes often focus on clothing that actually fits and gets worn. Useful pieces remain accessible while old sizes can be donated or recycled. This makes the wardrobe easier to navigate every morning. Keeping only wearable clothes also makes getting dressed much simpler. Empty boxes from phones and electronics are often saved because they might be useful one day. But once warranties and returns are no longer relevant, the packaging usually has little practical value. Keeping every box can quietly consume shelves and cupboards. Scandinavian homes tend to keep only packaging that has a genuine future purpose. The rest can be recycled after the useful information has been removed. A box should earn its storage space just like anything else. A broken appliance can sit in storage for years when someone keeps telling themselves it might eventually be repaired. If the repair never happens, the object is simply occupying space. Scandinavian homes often make a practical decision about whether fixing something is actually realistic. If the cost or effort doesn't make sense, the broken item leaves. This prevents garages and cupboards from becoming museums of unfinished repairs. Useful space is usually worth more than a broken object. Many households keep extra plates for a huge dinner that may happen once every few years. Scandinavian kitchens often focus on having enough for normal everyday life rather than preparing for an imaginary crowd. Special occasions can be handled with flexible arrangements or borrowed items. Keeping fewer dishes also frees valuable cabinet space. Everyday tableware becomes easier to reach and organize. A kitchen doesn't need a restaurant-sized inventory to be prepared. Leftover paint is often kept for years because someone might need it for a future touch-up. The problem is that colors change, paint dries out, and the exact same shade may never be needed again. Instead of storing half-used cans indefinitely, useful leftovers can be labeled properly or responsibly disposed of. Keeping only genuinely usable materials leaves more room in storage areas. It also prevents garages and utility rooms from filling with forgotten cans. Materials should have a realistic future before they earn permanent space. Cables are easy to keep because nobody wants to throw away something that might match a future device. But over time, drawers can fill with chargers nobody remembers. Scandinavian homes often keep cables only when their purpose is still known. Unknown wires and obsolete chargers can be recycled responsibly. This makes technology storage much easier to manage. A cable that has no identifiable use is rarely worth keeping forever. People often buy clothes for the person they imagine becoming rather than the life they actually live. That can create wardrobes full of outfits for events, hobbies, or lifestyles that rarely happen. Scandinavian wardrobes tend to stay closer to real routines. Clothing should work for the life you currently lead. Special pieces can still exist, but they shouldn't dominate the wardrobe. Buying for reality usually creates a much more useful closet. Keeping dozens of towels for a household that only needs a handful is another common storage habit. Scandinavians often keep enough clean towels for normal use plus a reasonable reserve. Bulky extras can take over linen cupboards surprisingly quickly. A smaller collection also makes washing and folding easier. The towels you actually use remain easy to reach. More isn't automatically more prepared. Rolls of wrapping paper, ribbons, and gift bags can accumulate because people imagine future birthdays and holidays. But buying large quantities often means storing the same supplies for years. A small collection of versatile paper and reusable fabric wraps can handle most occasions. Keeping fewer supplies also makes storage much simpler. You don't need an entire craft shop to wrap the occasional gift. Practical preparation means enough, not endless extras. Some homes keep large amounts of bedding for guests who may visit only a few times each year. clutter. Scandinavian homes can avoid dedicating huge amounts of storage to rare situations. A sensible reserve is enough for unexpected visitors. Extra bedding can also be used flexibly instead of sitting untouched for years. This keeps linen cupboards more manageable. Storage should reflect real use, not imagined emergencies. Cleaning cupboards can become crowded with duplicate brushes, sprays, and tools kept for problems that may never occur. Scandinavian households often rely on a smaller collection of dependable cleaning equipment. One useful brush can handle many jobs. Reusable cloths can replace piles of specialized cleaning products. This makes storage easier and cleaning routines faster. But keeping fewer tools can actually make cleaning feel simpler. Kitchens often contain dishes and tools reserved for a hypothetical future recipe. If the same item hasn't been used in years, keeping it rarely makes the kitchen more efficient. Scandinavian kitchens tend to favor tools that earn their place through regular use. Special equipment can be borrowed or purchased when a genuine need appears. This keeps cupboards lighter. A useful kitchen is built around real cooking, not imaginary meals. Old phones, tablets, and outdated gadgets are often kept because technology might become useful again someday. But obsolete devices can spend years forgotten in drawers. Scandinavian homes often decide whether an item still has genuine value. If not, it can be recycled responsibly. This keeps electronic storage under control. Keeping old technology indefinitely rarely makes a home more prepared. A damaged chair or table can sit in storage for years while someone promises to repair it eventually. Scandinavian frugality can involve repairing good furniture, but only when the repair is realistic. If the project never happens, keeping the broken item creates another problem. Useful furniture deserves attention. Unfinished repairs do not deserve unlimited storage space. Sometimes letting go is more practical than postponing the same decision again. Empty jars are another classic just-in-case item because they seem like they might become useful containers someday. Keeping one or two can be practical. Keeping dozens quickly creates clutter that simply waits for a future purpose. Scandinavian kitchens often reuse containers selectively. The rest can be recycled. Good reuse means actually reusing something, not collecting it indefinitely. Buying inexpensive seasonal clothing every year can create a cycle of replacing pieces that quickly wear out. Scandinavian wardrobes often prefer practical layers that can work across changing weather. Better materials can be worn repeatedly. This reduces the need for a large collection of disposable seasonal pieces. Fewer reliable items also simplify storage between seasons. Good clothing earns its place through repeated use. Keeping an extra table, sofa, or bed solely for rare visitors can consume a surprising amount of space. Scandinavian homes often favor furniture that works for everyday life. When guests arrive, rooms can be adapted temporarily. Foldable pieces and flexible arrangements can solve occasional needs without permanent clutter. Everyday space is too valuable to dedicate entirely to rare events. Furniture should primarily serve the people who live there. Holiday decorations and seasonal supplies can multiply quickly when every celebration gets its own collection. Scandinavian homes often keep a small number of versatile decorations instead. Neutral pieces can work across several occasions. Reusable items can return year after year. This reduces storage pressure during the rest of the year. Celebrations don't need a separate inventory for every date on the calendar. Drawers can easily fill with screws, handles, hooks, and tiny hardware pieces saved because they might become useful. Keeping a few labeled essentials can make sense, but a drawer full of unidentified parts becomes difficult to use. Scandinavian homes often sort useful hardware and discard what has no clear purpose. A small organized repair kit is more practical than a mystery collection. Knowing what you own is part of being prepared. Sometimes people keep things simply because they paid a lot for them, even when they no longer use them. Scandinavians can take a more practical view by asking whether an expensive object still earns its place. Cost from the past doesn't make an unused item useful today. Selling, donating, or repurposing it can be more sensible. The money has already been spent. Keeping the object forever doesn't recover that cost. Keeping something just in case can feel responsible, but too much of it eventually becomes its own form of clutter. The Scandinavian approach is simpler. Keep what you genuinely use, maintain what is valuable, and let go of what has no realistic realistic future purpose. That doesn't mean owning less for the sake of owning less. It means making sure the things you keep actually support the life you live today. When cupboards, garages, and drawers stop carrying years of imaginary possibilities, the whole home becomes easier to manage. And sometimes the best thing you can keep is simply the space that appears when you stop keeping everything else.